Okay, class, for problem number 6, it says, well, what is 3t to the third power plus 18t squared minus 120t completely factored? So that means I got a couple things going on. First thing I better check, do I have a greatest common factor? Do I have some things in common here? Now let's look at our numbers. I got 3, I got 18, and 120. All three are divisible by 3. So let's write some division signs here. I know I can divide by 3. Now let's look at the variable. Let's look at t. I have t in my first term, t in my second term, and t in my third term. So there's a common factor there as well. So let's see what happens. So I'll write 3t, open up some parentheses. Let's see. So these cancel. I got 3 t's here, and I subtract 1 t, so I got 2 t's left. So that's t squared. Let's see. In my second term, 18 divided by 3 is 6. T squared divided by t. I take away 1 t. I'm left with t. Third term, I got negative 120 divided by 3. That's 40. And then these t's are gone. Now, that's the first step. I found greatest common factor. Next step, I'd better make a factor box, I think. Let's make that factor box again. There we go, that's better. That's better. Okay. So let's see. So the first thing I want to do is I want to factor this t squared. Now, that's pretty easy. That's t times t. Now it's 40, negative 40, huh? That's not good. Okay, so I got to think of two numbers. Okay, one's got to be positive and one's got to be negative. Obviously, the positive's got to be the larger of the two factors, otherwise I'm not going to wind up with a positive 6. So let me think. About positive 10 and negative 4. I think that might work because 10 times 4 is 40, so I mean that works. 10 minus 4 is 6, so let's double check that. T minus 4t and minus 40, and then when I add 10t minus 4t, I get 6t left. So my final factorization, so I still have 3t from that greatest common factor, and my factors on top of the box are t plus 10. My factors on the side of the box are t minus 4. Let's see, and that should match up with letter C. So hope this helps.